and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Starting a new series, Houseplant Terminology. We're doing a quick drill down on houseplant terms in each of these videos. That way, if you hear a term or read a term and want to quickly know what it's all about, you can check out one of these videos. A lot of the terms are going to also be in my book, Indoor Gardening the Organic Way. I do sell autographed copies of the book on my website. I'll put a link below. Today's term is leach or leaching. So when you read that term, you will know that what it means is to rinse houseplant soil. And it can also be outdoor plant soil as well. It can be in the ground or in containers, but for purposes of houseplants, it will be in the houseplant pot. And what you do is you put a lot of water through the soil to rinse out certain things in the soil that you don't want in the soil. One of the big things is salts in the soil. So when there's a salt buildup in the soil, I do talk about this in other videos, what will happen is it will break down the roots. It can also eventually cause root rot if the salt buildup is high enough. Salts are more common in certain waters in certain regions, and they are in all fertilizers, even organics, although there's a lower proportion of salts in organic fertilizers, much higher proportion in chemical fertilizers. So if you suspect there is a buildup of things you don't want in your soil, then you would rinse the soil, or AKA leach the soil. So that is what leaching is all about. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.